Minsan, nagpapalalim ng pagkakaibigan kung kabaitan ang tugon sa nakakainis na ugali. Paano ba ito nangyayari? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet, pandasal. Now think of a time when someone treated you poorly. Perhaps a colleague snapped at you or a friend let you down. It's easy to feel hurt and respond negatively. But what if we chose kindness instead? Responding with compassion can transform our relationships. Kapag tinanggap natin ang golden rule, tinatrato natin ang iba tulad ng nais nating tratuhin, gumagabay ito sa ating pakikipag-ugnay sa kapwa. This focus on inner transformation and mercy, and it encourages empathy and personal growth. When we choose kindness in challenging situations, we uplift others and enrich our own lives. So, the next time you face negativity, pause and consider how you can respond with kindness. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, naway lumalim ang aming mga pagkakapatiran sa pamamagitan ng gawaing nakakatulong sa pagbabago. Amen.